Okay, another update. So I connected the lead to the output on the computer. I've got a 5 kHz sine wave going through. It doesn't seem to look just the intensity. It doesn't seem odd. I'll go to another sine wave tone, 6 kHz. Looks okay. It's not got any weird bending or jagged edge sort of thing. Just do a few other adjustments. Looks okay there. Go to another sine wave. Go to 8 kHz. Looks okay there. 8 kHz. Okay, I'm going to scroll down the frequency. I'm going to keep the mouse on the. I'm scrolling down through the frequency on the REM. It's not waving up and down. Looks okay. Looks stable. Eventually, the wavelength, that is the width of the the sine wave tone on the oscilloscope will gradually widen. So it looks okay there. So I'm just going to go down to the next octave at 6300. Looks okay there. Okay, I'll scroll down through the frequency. It looks okay. There's a bit over contrast there in the background there, but no, it looks okay there. It looks okay. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to connect it back to the Denon. Okay, connected back to the Denon. Connected directly to the, so I'm not connected to any of this. Connected, the signal is going from the computer through the HDMI over to the Denon. And what do I see? The sine wave tone is starting to look crooked. It's starting to look so I'll scroll through the frequency. Let's go up to 8 kHz. Let's scroll down. So far it's looking okay. Let's just the scroll down. Okay, let's go down to 6. It's starting to look slightly bent there, slightly. Alright, scroll down in the frequency, see what I can see. What's the fader on the there you go. It's at 9 there, 9 minus 9, minus 20 on there. Okay. Now let's just pause that for a sec. Okay, back. Yeah, that's 4 kHz, but it's not even. It's kind of bending slightly. Let's scroll down the frequency. Okay, let's go up. I don't know what it is, but I'm not quite seeing the same pattern as what I was seeing last night, previous night. I'm not seeing the same. It's not kind of suddenly doing. A theory just came to mind. Could be something to do with the. I've only turned this on, recently turned this on, so it's not totally warmed up. So, unless it could be something to do with, you know, when it's turned on for maybe a few hours. Because when I had it on yesterday, it was on for many hours, and you know, it might be something to do with that. Might be a capacitance snag or microprocessing, but it did look slightly bent still. Yeah, it does look a little bit crooked on the top there. That's 10 kilohertz. That's 16. That's 20 kilohertz. Yeah, that's 6.300. It looks a little bit. That's 5 kilohertz. That's 3.15. 300. 31150. Check the levels. Okay. Increase the level a little bit there. Yeah, it's starting to bend. Just increase the level a little bit more. Yeah, it's starting to bend. Just that there. Yeah, that's 4 kilohertz. Okay. Yeah. See. Right, now. So I don't think it's anything to do with warm-up. So that's 8 kilohertz. But that's 6.3, you know, and I'll scroll up through the frequency. I don't think it's my sound card. I think it is the Denon. Let's go back the other way. Let's scroll upward. Getting near to 7 kilohertz. It's not changing much. Just a slight little bit there I've noticed. 6500. Coming up to 600. 6 coming up to 700. Just pause the video for a sec. Alright, resume. Just change the setting there a little bit. That's coming up to 7 kilohertz. Nah, it's still got this crookedness. So just going down by the octave. Yeah, and then 31500, and then let's just adjust the setting here. It looks okay. It's 2 kilohertz. It's not looking. No, it's looking okay there. That's 250 hertz. 100. That's looking okay there. It's still got that same problem. I think it is Denon. So I think I could rule out maybe the computer, because I plugged it into the computer directly, put a sine wave on and checked it, and I wasn't seeing any weird shape in the frequency. It didn't look crooked. So I think the Denon is, yeah. And the irony is Sound United's just been sold. Going to be sold. Going to be, yeah. Thank you, Sound United. Leave your customers out in the